On April 12, 1961, the world watched as Yuri Gagarin, a young Soviet pilot, was launched into space aboard Vostok 1. For 108 minutes, he orbited Earth, alone in the vastness, and his exclamation, "Poyakali," became the rallying cry for humanity's leap into the cosmos. Gagarin's return was dramatic. He parachuted into a field, astonishing a farmer and her daughter. Overnight, he became a global icon, the face of Soviet achievement, celebrated in every corner of the world. His flight was hailed as a flawless victory in the space race, a symbol of Soviet technological supremacy. The story was perfect, too perfect. In the Cold War, every triumph was magnified, every flaw hidden. Gagarin's mission was presented as seamless, heroic, and unblemished. But history is rarely so simple. Beneath the official narrative, rumors persisted, whispers of a different story. And in those shadows, one name keeps surfacing: Vladimir Ilyushin. Was Gagarin truly the first, or was there another lost to secrecy? Enter Vladimir Ilyushin, a celebrated test pilot, son of a famed aircraft designer. According to a persistent theory, Ilyushin, not Gagarin, was the first to orbit Earth 5 days earlier, on April 7, 1961. The story claims Ilyushin's mission ended in disaster A malfunction, a crash landing in China, and severe injuries. Officially, Ilyushin was in China for a car accident, but skeptics saw a cover-up. Western journalists reported the rumors, and the timing of Ilyushin's disappearance fueled speculation. Why would a top Soviet pilot be treated in China, especially as relations soured? Was Gagarin's flight rushed to overshadow a failed mission? The Ilyushin theory paints a picture of desperation and secrecy at the dawn of the space age. No hard evidence has surfaced, but the fragments remain tantalizing. Was the world shown a hero to hide a tragedy? In the Cold War, space was the ultimate battleground for prestige. Every Soviet success was a blow to the West, every failure a threat to the regime's image. A failed first flight would have been catastrophic for Soviet propaganda. The motivation to hide a disaster and present a flawless hero was immense. Gagarin, with his charisma and humble origins, was the perfect symbol. The Kremlin controlled the narrative, erasing inconvenient truths. Secrecy was standard. Failed missions vanished behind the Iron Curtain. The West could only speculate, piecing together rumors and scraps. In this climate, a story like Ilyushin's could easily be buried. The official version prevailed, and Gagarin's legend was set in stone. But what, or who, was lost in the silence? Decades later, the Ilyushin story remains unproven, but it endures. Russia insists Ilyushin was never a cosmonaut. No evidence of a secret flight has emerged. Yet the theory persists, fueled by our fascination with secrets and suspicion of official history. It fits the era, a regime obsessed with image, willing to bury failure. We're left with two narratives, one of flawless heroism, the other of hidden tragedy. Was Gagarin the true pioneer, or the face of a carefully crafted myth? Without new evidence, the truth remains elusive. The story reminds us to question what we're told, and to wonder what history still hides. Perhaps, somewhere, the real first journey to the stars is still waiting to be discovered.